Hey guys, today I'm testing the Airion Bluetooth portable speaker for its loudness, as I've said in the review. So I'm comparing it to the sound of a regular iPhone. So I will be playing the iPhone first, and it's on full volume, so here we go. Okay, so that was my phone. Now we'll try the speaker. And bring it back to the place that it was at. And go.
Very superstitious, writings on the wall. Very superstitious.
So that's how loud it is. And you have to face it this way because the speakers are only on one side. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.